engine compartment.
I'm going to check underneath the tractor to make sure that there are no signs of any leak here to the passenger side. Check the passenger general hoses to make sure that they are properly mounted and secured at both ends. There are no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, none are leaking. Then check the belt-driven alternator. Make sure that it's properly mounted and secured, that it's not cracked, bent, or broken, it is not leaking. Check that the belt is not cracked or frayed, and that the belt has a free play between 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And that all wires are connected. Come over here to the driver's side. I'm going to check the driver's side general hoses. Make sure that they're all properly mounted and secured at both ends. Make sure there are no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. Make sure none are leaking. Check the coolant level, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. It is filled to manufacturer's specification. Check the belt-driven water pump. It's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. The belt is not cracked or frayed, and the free play for the belt is 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And check the power steering reservoir, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. It is filled to the manufacturer's specification. And check the oil level. Make sure that it's filled to manufacturer's specification. And check the gear-driven power steering pump, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. Check the gear-driven air compressor, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. Check the steering gearbox and hoses, which are properly mounted and secured at both ends. There's no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. It is not leaking. It is not cracked, bent, or broken. Check the steering linkage, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. You got the pitman arm, the tie rod, and drag link. Make sure that the castle nuts and the cotter pins are all present. There is none missing. Check the spring hangers and mounts at the front and the rear. It's properly mounted and secured at both ends. It is not cracked, bent, or broken. Check the leaf spring, which is properly mounted and secured at both ends. Make sure it is not cracked, bent, or broken. None are shifted. Check the U-bolts, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. None are missing. Check the shock absorber, which is properly mounted and secured at both ends. It's not cracked, bent, or broken. None are leaking. Check the brake chamber, it's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. It is not leaking. Check the brake hosing lining, it's properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. It is not leaking air. Check the slack adjuster and the push rod, it's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. With the brakes released, it does not move more than 1 inch when pulled by hand. Check the brake drum, it's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. I'm going to check the brake lining, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There is no oil or debris, and it is not worn dangerously thin. Then I'm going to come out here and check my hub seal or axle seal, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There are no missing bolts. It is filled to manufacturer specification, and it is not leaking. I'm going to check my lug nuts. Properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There are none missing. There's no powder or white residue around lug nuts, and there are no cracks around the bolt holes. I'll check my rim, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. There were no unauthorized welds. I'll check my tire, which is properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts on either side or on the tread. The tread depth is no less than 4/32 of an inch.
The engine compartment.
That completes my engine compartment.
Great job.